Hello everyone and welcome to Science Fair 2025 here at Ambassador Bilingual Academy, where today, under the theme of Think, Test, and Discover, our students from grade 12, grade 8, and Thai Science are showing off their innovation and creativity with their various amazing talented projects.
Hello everyone, welcome to our grade 8 science fair. This year, for 8th graders, they did a lot of data analysis and surveys. They had charts and patterns that were presented to teachers, friends, and judges. So our students have worked very hard for this week and we hope you enjoy. Thank you.
And this is our Thai science book. We got 4 books in total. They teach about experiments, researching, and so much more.
Grade 12 students, and today we're presenting our science experiments as we put in great effort and creativity, and we will find a way to solve our problems and put in real application and presenting it today.
All right, everyone, now we're here with Teacher Matt from Academic Affairs. So, Teacher Matt, how do you feel about the science fair so far?
I feel great. The kids have been doing a lot of hard work and they put a lot of effort into their work. I'm very proud of them.
Science Fair 2025 has been an outstanding success. So a big thanks to all of our students, our teachers, and our amazing young scientists who made today a really fun event. Thank you, and we'll see you again next year.